What's going on, everyone? Chris here. We're checking out the tempered glass screen protectors for the Pixel 3a XL made by Omaton. Picked this up on Amazon for about 10 bucks. This variant, you get 4 tempered glass screen protectors. They advertise smooth rounded edges, so we'll see if that's actually the case. We're going to see how it actually adheres to the glass here on our Pixel, and see if this is actually one that you should actually pick up yourself. Of course, I'll leave the link in the description where you can pick this up as well. Let's go ahead and check inside what we get. We get a pouch with all of our wipes, stickers, looks like instruction manuals, dust stickers, lint-free cloth, squeegees. So basically 4 of each, so that way you can install it again if, let's say, you mess up, if it cracks, and that's what, which is good. 10 bucks, you get 4, not too bad. You take the glass, which is a sleeve within a sleeve. It's going to be kind of difficult, so we have our huge cutout for the front earpiece speaker and then your front-facing camera, and the glass is actually quite thin, surprisingly. So wow, this is much thinner glass than I'm quite used to. So I'm not sure how durability will be like. I'm not going to really test that out. One thing I recommend is going ahead and actually turning on the sleep to an extended period of time. That way your screen stays on during the whole process of your installation. So we're going to go ahead and get this installed, see how it adheres, and see if it's worth your while. We can actually go ahead and kind of see how it fits right now. I wish it may be covered in this area. It looks like a pretty tight fit, to be honest. It's going to be pretty interesting. I'm not sure if it's going to adhere, but it might surprise me. Alright guys, we are done. Now I can definitely say that if you install this properly, you do not get any sort of halo effect around the glass here. So let me see if I can get this in focus real quick. So if you do see anything like up in this corner, I did have to lift it up because a piece of dust did get underneath the corner over here, and then also over in this area, but that is all on me, on my mistake. But other than that, everything is perfectly fine for the Omaton tempered glass screen protector. So it covers the screen from left to right completely. It's actually extremely thin, like I mentioned, so swiping in from the side, there's no sharp, harsh edges, and it kind of goes pretty nicely. You can kind of see right there how much gap is on the left and on the right. I do have a case that I'm going to throw on this, so stay tuned for that other video. But it looks like maybe this was from the piece of dust. I'm not sure if we can pick this up on camera or not. So this little guy right in here, that was actually from that piece of dust, I think. So yeah, that was all on me. But as we can see here, we have our speaker, the camera, and then our ambient light sensor. In terms of glass feel, I don't see any issues in terms of delay, mistouches, or anything like that. Feels great. Again, I think there is enough room for a case that will come over the lip on the front. There's enough gap there, so you should be fine with this, but we'll see with the case that I picked up. It doesn't cover any of the camera up here. So yeah, 10 bucks for tempered glass screen protectors. You don't have to spend $45 or so on ZAGG. You can if you want. You won't have to spend tons of money for like a Whitestone dome. This will do you just fine. Again, link in the description where you can pick this up. If you take your time, install this properly, it's going to come out just fine. It's tough because this device just released, so reviews on Amazon are going to be probably misleading or fake, because I saw reviews on products, both cases and screen protectors, when the device hadn't even launched yet. So be mindful. I'll do my best to provide reviews and honest feedback on products that I obtained for this device to you. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching, everyone, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.